Hey guys, I'm Abhi here from GrabOn, and in the next 4 minutes, I'm gonna help you pick out the top toothpaste brands available in the market today. We will get this done with the help of some quick informative slides. So let's begin. Everybody knows about fluoride, yeah? Fluoride has been known to strengthen the teeth and prevent decay, and almost all toothpaste have it these days. So we'll not be including that as a criterion. So let's jump right into the 3 criteria that we have used to list the top toothpaste brands out. First is the type of toothpaste the brand provides, such as whitening toothpaste, fluoride toothpaste, desensitizing toothpaste, and likewise. Secondly, what are they best suited for? Third, the ingredients used. So fifth on our list is Himalayan Urbans. If you're looking for a toothpaste that boasts about herbal ingredients, Himalayan Urbans should be your pick. They provide complete care, fluoridated and foaming toothpaste known for keeping gums and teeth in good health. It also works as a pain relief for toothache. Here's the price list. Fourth on our list is Sensodyne. If sensitive teeth is what's causing you a lot of problems and biting into anything hot or cold troubles you, then Sensodyne's got your back. It's a great option as a fluoridated and foaming toothpaste and has been extremely popular among people with sensitive teeth for a long time. You can get the following tubes as shown here. Coming to the third one is Pepsodent. This American toothpaste brand has been the most go-to toothpaste. Pepsodent provides complete oral care if used regularly. Pepsodent is also known to help fight cavity well. Here are the different tubes that are available. Second on our list is Close-Up, and it is perfect for people who desire fresh breath all day long. But come on, who doesn't, right? Close-Up toothpaste proves effective in shooing away bad breath, is budget-friendly, and is among the best toothpaste brands in the market. Close-Up manufactures fluoridated toothpaste known for its foaming capacity that provides freshness in a jiffy. Price for the tubes are? And finally, the brand that tops our list is Colgate. Colgate manufactures fluoridated toothpaste best suited for people who are looking for stronger teeth, protection from cavity, and fight off gum disease. It's pretty effective for most parts, and it promises total oral care for the price of the following. Please note guys, medical information may not apply to everyone, and for medical advice, do consult a dentist. That's all guys. Do check out the description below for more information on the products and where you can buy them. We've listed the links for the same.